Hey guys, Manny Vaya here, founder of 2000books.com, and in this video I'll give you top 5 ideas from the book Jab, 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 Right Hook by Gary Vaynerchuk. This book has helped me a lot. It has helped me grow my business, and I want to share some of the nuggets of wisdom I've collected from this book. It's a great book on learning how to do content marketing right. It's almost the future of education-based marketing. He's explaining the big picture strategy behind how to do content marketing. It's not a tremendously big book, but it's got a really important strategy, and the strategy is almost coming from the world of boxing. Okay, so the whole idea of jab, jab, right hook is something we understand in boxing, and that's what Gary kind of talks about in this book. So let's go into the big ideas. The number one big idea is jab, jab, jab. What does it mean? Well, jab, 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 all it means is initially you give. You give a lot of value. You create a lot of high quality content. You give to your customer. You cater to their needs. You teach them about the product. You teach them about their pain point. You teach them about whatever it is that they're interested in. You teach, you tell stories, you engage with them, you give, and you give more, and you give and give and give and give and give. And that's what we do, right? If you look at 2000 Books, if you go to our website, if you go to our YouTube, if you are on the YouTube channel right now, or maybe you're listening to this on the podcast, wherever you are, all you see there on the podcast, you see what? 150 plus episodes, right? All for free, all for you to go and listen to and enjoy and learn. And that's all. That's all jab, 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 jab. I'm giving. I'm giving all of this value for free. All you have to do is download the podcast or watch these videos. What do we have? Like around 70 plus videos on our channel, maybe even more. They're all free. They're all there. I'm giving. So the ideas that Gary Vaynerchuk is talking about are ideas that are actually being used by a lot of the content marketing people like me today in this space. So it's really simple. Give. Produce free content, create high quality free content, create content that's going to be useful, really educational, that people want to share with the world. So that's step number one, jab, jab, jab. The second big idea is the right hook, right? Jab, 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 boxing analogy, jab, 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 and then the right hook. The right hook comes, which is the more dangerous punch, right, in some ways. Now, here's the way to understand it. I'm just going to take the example of 2000 Books because I do exactly what Gary Vaynerchuk kind of describes in this book. What we do is we give. I give so much free content, right? But in any given episode or on YouTube channel, on a video, you'll see often, not on all of them, but often, I will actually have a call to action at the end of it, because maybe I educated you on something and I say, hey, if you want to go deeper on this topic, you can download my free stuff about this, or you can download my free stuff about that, or you can download my free meditation audio, you can download my free guide on how to learn anything faster, you can download my free PDF summaries of business books, or you can download my free stuff about the lessons I learned from billionaires. All of that stuff, it's all for free, but it's connected to what I just was talking to you about, right? I'm giving more, and then I'm making a small ask. And it's not even asked, in my opinion, because I'm actually giving you something. I'm not saying, hey, give me money for free. No, I'm saying, hey, by the way, if you're interested in learning more, if you're interested in meditating, if you're interested in any of these things, you can go get this for free, right? I'm again making an ask at this point, but a very small ask compared to the value I have provided. So that's the second part of this equation. I first give, and then I make a small ask. It's really as simple as that, and you can employ that in any business today, and that is the beauty of it. You can give, and ask for the customer's information in return for something really valuable, whatever it might be. So that's it. That's the second step. Now, big idea number 3. What Gary says is, if content is king, because we just talked about the idea, you give, and then you ask for something, you jab, and you right hook. So if content is king in all of this, then context is God. What he means by that is, a lot of times we get lost in the idea that, oh, I have to produce content, but you have to produce the right content for the right medium. Right? If you have this thing, like if you want to create content for a specific medium, you got to be very careful. Like, you got to create content for that medium. I wouldn't be creating short 30-second videos for YouTube. Those go on Instagram, right? I wouldn't be creating random just audio only videos and putting them up on YouTube. That's not really powerful for YouTube, but it's really great for podcasts. I wouldn't just put up a slide on YouTube. It just doesn't work very well. It's better off on SlideShare. So there are different contexts, different social media channels that work well for different purposes. By the way, this is something also you have to understand. A lot of the times people come to me and say, hey, by the way, instead of doing YouTube videos, I'm doing Facebook videos. Now, what I have to explain to someone like that is that YouTube is like a library. It's a repository of content. Facebook videos are here today, gone tomorrow. They're ephemeral. They're a great marketing channel. But if you're thinking of marketing channel, then put your video on Facebook. But if you're thinking of building a repository, a body of knowledge, a body of work, then you have to put it on YouTube. So every context is different. Just because you're doing video doesn't mean you're doing video the right way, in the right context, on the right platform. Very careful about that. Another way to think about context is, I've seen this happen before. There's, maybe you're a business coach. All right, you're a business coach, or maybe you're a fitness person, you're a fitness coach, and you are talking about fitness all the time. You do everything. You're teaching workouts. You're talking about diet and nutrition and all those things. And suddenly I see a video. It's about reviewing the newest iPhone, and I'm scratching my head thinking, what are you talking about? Why is there a video reviewing an iPhone when you were supposed to be the fitness coach? Now, this looks really bad. It looks like you're just trying to make money from affiliate income or something like that. It's just a bad idea. It's a really bad way to approach the whole idea of building the right kind of content. Maybe you're thinking, oh, if I just use this keyword because iPhone is trending right now, and if I get it on, then I'll boost my channel. It's not going to happen. You will, in fact, hurt your channel because people will think you're scattered all over the place. The context is God. Content is king. Context is God. So be very careful, be very selective. Now, here's what I would say. If you're a fitness coach, right, and there's a new iPhone that comes out, but it has a lot of new capabilities, fitness capabilities, maybe some sensors, maybe some specific capabilities that will really boost your fitness game, and you go and review the iPhone and you talk about all the new fitness things that have come into it that are going to be great, or in the Apple Watch that are great. Now the context is right. Now the context is very well established. So you're doing the right thing. So be very careful of the context. It's not just about content. It's not just about, hey, I've got this amazing content, I'm golden. No, right content in the right context. That's what a lot of businesses really mess up on, because they don't understand how important it is to be very native to that content platform, and not only that, to be very native to whatever your specific thing is, whatever it is that you're trying to convey to the world. Don't spread your effort all over the place. You will lose your people. You will lose your tribe. You will actually hurt your tribe. You will hurt your chances of building a tribe, because people will not trust your message anymore because they think you're all over the place. Number four big idea is the Holy Trinity. The Holy Trinity of content, context, and hard work. Wow, I couldn't have said it better. Content, context, and hard work. That's what Gary Vee says as the Holy Trinity of content marketing the right way. And this is really sage advice here, because hard work is required. Hard work is essential to build your content marketing business, to really build a marketing business where you're going to be able to get your ideas to the world, educate the world about that, and actually be able to sell to them. Without hard work, that's not going to be possible. And that's where a really important idea comes in. And this is where idea number 5 comes into play. And that is, you cannot outsource hard work. So I was coaching someone. They wanted to build an online fitness business. And the person was saying, hey, all I need to do is hire someone to do content for me. I can run ads on Facebook and drive traffic and then just sell the product. I said, no, you cannot do that. It will not work, because you don't know what your customers want. You don't know what the market wants right now. You do not have product market fit. What is product market fit? Product market fit is a terminology that's used in the startup world, but it's something that every one of us has to be very aware of when we're trying to build an online business. It's something as simple as this. Does your product meet the demands of the market? Does the market really want your product? Does the market crave your product? Or is the market really wanting your product? If you have that product market fit, what will happen is, when you put the product out for sale, the market will take it, the market will buy it at a profit. But in order to get there, will take a lot of hard work, will take a lot of real hard work. Now, you cannot outsource hard work. You cannot just say that I'm going to have someone do content and I'll have someone do traffic and that's it, we're done. It's not going to work, because someone's got to figure out the product market fit. You cannot outsource hard work, my friend. You cannot outsource desperation when it comes to building a business. You cannot outsource that hustle to get product market fit. Product market fit is crucial It is crucial in order to be successful in any kind of business venture, no matter what kind of business you're building, whether you're building a startup, whether you're building a technology startup, or whether you're building an online business like this. You've got to get product market fit. It's really simple idea, but it is something that will take a lot of hustle, a lot of hard work to get it perfectly right. Okay, so don't expect that if you have money, you can just throw money and try to get product market fit and try to get the perfect product out of the door. It's not going to work. It will take hard work. It will take desperation from you to figure it out. That's the key. All right. So outsourcing hard work is not a possibility. That's a really important understanding. So let's step back on this whole thing, right? You have to give, and then make an ask, and then move the customer down down your sales funnel in order to be able to sell to the customer and sell more to the customer, and so on and so forth. That's the real idea behind this book. In case you are building an online business and you need help trying to implement all of these different ideas of how to do content marketing, how to do content marketing the right way, and how to implement it in your online business, come talk to me, because I have opened up slots in my coaching program. And if you're interested in building an online business, an ethical, morally right online business where you literally want to do something good in this world, not if you're trying to be scammy or if you want to make a quick buck, that's not the program. That's not the program for you. But if you really want to build a business around your passion or something that excites you and something that's related to content marketing, where content marketing can help you grow your business, well, then we should talk. As I said, I have opened up slots in my coaching program. You have to apply to the coaching program. Go to 2000books.com/apply. If I like your application, I will reach out to you and we'll schedule a one-on-one video call and we'll talk about where you're at with your business. Even if you're starting off, it doesn't matter. I can coach you through the process. But the key is I want to see that passion, that hunger, that desire to build a business. And if I see that, then if I think you're a good fit, then I'll invite you into my coaching program. That's really all it is. So guys, if you are trying to build your business right now, if you're starting off building a business, if you want to cut your learning curve into half, instead of spending 3-4 years and going nowhere, if you want to literally short circuit that whole cycle and spend maybe 1 or 2 years in building that business, then come talk to me. All right, and apply to my coaching program, and I hope to see you in there. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.